These ties here also are quite nice and bouncy, and so they draw the eye down the body, they give you a little bit of coverage. They even feel like they're giving you coverage, okay? Even if you're looking at it from the side, okay? Because this is often how we look. We tend to go, "Oh, is something pooching out?" And we look at the side. But you have to realize that as women, people are looking at you all the way around, okay? They are looking at you they're not looking at the very places that you think they're looking at. They're looking at you from a different perspective, okay? So this is important. All right, so this is going to give you this magic blouse, and you can wear this with a pair of jeans and a top on underneath it. You could wear it with other dresses that you may have, any dress that you need to cinch in and give some definition. Plus, you've got a little bit of upper arm coverage. The whole upper arm, the reason for this is in other videos. You can go and check that out on my channel. Feel free to do that. But this is the main focus.